Hey, what's up guys? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can earn per day typing what you hear. And no experience is needed, so you definitely want to stick with me throughout the rest of this, and you're not going to have to worry about that. Now, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, guys, we're going to go ahead and jump right into the content. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and go over to rev.com. So I'm going to pretty much go through a few of these sites, but I'm going to go ahead and start from the lowest pay up into the highest pay. All right. All right, so as we said, this is called rev.com. So basically, as you see in the title, you're going to earn for typing what you hear. So you're basically going to be transcribing, basically people's content, and then you're basically going to type out what's being said in the piece of content that was uploaded, okay? So as you can see here, it says freelancing jobs, work from home with Rev. Earn money transcribing or captioning from home. Now, you're going to be able to set your own work schedule, right? You don't have a boss when you're doing this. You're just going to do it on your own time. So as you can see here, it says create a flexible work schedule. Choose from hundreds of jobs and you get paid weekly. So you can see here, it says receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. Rev is on time and dependable. They've been paying out for the entire time that they've been up and running for business. So this is not a company you're going to have to worry about paying you on time. All right, so how you would sign up, as you can see here, become a freelancer with Rev. You will put your first name, last name, email, and then the position right here that you're trying to go for. So it's either going to be a transcriptionist or it's going to be a captioner, okay? So those are the two options that you have. Let's continue to go down. As you can see, on average, a transcriptionist is going to pay you 36 cents to 65 cents per audio or video minute. Now that may not necessarily sound like a lot, but if you're somebody who has a lot of time on your hands, right? Let's say for instance, you don't work a full 8-hour schedule. Well, you can use, the additional time that you have to just basically type what you hear, and then they're going to pay you week to week. Okay, so this is definitely easy. And then as you can see here, a captioner is going to make even more. A captioner is going to make 45 cents to 75 cents per audio or video minute. All right, so you can see pretty much what the average pays are, so you have a better understanding and if this is going to work out for you in the first place. All right, now let's continue to go down just a little bit more so I can give you some more information. All right, so here it is, guys. Start making money in 3 easy steps. All right, so it says take a quiz to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. Okay, step number 2 is to submit a transcription or caption sample. So once you submit it, they're gonna go through what their approval process, and then at that point, if you meet the requirements, you'll be able to register and start earning within 48 hours. Okay, and as I stated, they pay you weekly, and you saw that right there on the page. All right, so here we go. A subtitler, they're going to make $1.50 to $3 per audio or video minute. Okay, so this is for people who know a foreign language. So if you're watching this video right now and you know a foreign language, you have the opportunity to earn more. All right, so as we continue to scroll down, you'll get more and more information. Here's a testimonial from Tiffany. Right, you can go ahead and read that. You can go ahead and pause the video right now. You can go ahead and read that, all right? And then it says right here, read the full testimonial. All right, so they have been featured in the Penny Hoarder, Forbes, the Huffington Post, the Work at Home Wife, Real Ways to Earn Money Online, and Business Insider, right? These are huge businesses, and they have been featured on those sites. All right, so as we continue to go down here, it once again says, sign up to be a Rev freelancer. Once you do that, you'll be either a subtitler, a captioner, or a transcriptionist. All right. And as I showed you guys earlier, if we scroll back up, all you got to do to sign up is just fill in the information right here and hit the next button. Okay, so that is rev.com, and you saw the average pays. Now we're going to go up in the middle right? As far as, going up with the amount of money that you can make. And we're going to go to the next website, which is called Go Transcript. Okay, so with Go Transcript, same kind of concept. You're still getting paid to transcribe audios. All right, so let's take a look at the pay. You see it says we pay competitive rates for our online transcription jobs. So you see right here, it says up to 60 cents per audio or video minute. Now you can see average earnings per month is $150 per month. So that is what you have the opportunity to make, right, if you're pretty consistent with doing this. Now, as you can see, top monthly earnings is $1,215. So that is more on the high side for the people who do this full time. They make pretty much, $1,200 is not bad to be making from your house without actually having somebody, over your back like a boss or anything right there. You know what I mean? So that's definitely something that you can definitely, take advantage of because they do pay you a lot more. All right, so let's continue to go down. As you can see, you're going to hit the apply now button. That's how you're going to get started. And the same kind of concept as I was talking about when I was sharing Rev, it says you do this from home, right? You get paid, you receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all the work completed. Okay, and then also this is based on your hours. Whenever you want to do this is when you're going to do it, right? You don't have somebody pushing you to go do it. All right, so you can choose your own choose your own projects, grow your skills, receive great support, right? There's a bunch of different things as you're coming to do your research, and I always recommend do your due diligence on everything that I'm showing you, right? That's just something that I always do. I've done since 2014 for the remaining time that I've been on the internet. I've always done my due diligence. All right, so let's go ahead and continue. All right, so as you can see, the FAQ, and that's another thing. Any other sites that I share with you, always go to the FAQ and see what the frequently asked questions are, so you can see what everyone else is asking. Like, is it worldwide? How are you going to get paid? Those are the questions that you're probably 9 times out of 10 going to find in the FAQ. So as you can see, do you hire outside the UK? So when you click on this, it says yes. We hire anyone worldwide. It doesn't matter where you live. Okay, so that's a biggie, because I know we have some people down in the comments sometimes asking, is this worldwide? Yes, this is worldwide. And Rev.com also was worldwide. All right, guys, so that is Go Transcript. Once again, to get started, all you got to do is scroll back up here, right? And you see the sign up button. That's going to allow you to sign up, all right? And then you'll be good to go. All right, so let's go ahead and go over to the third website, which is called Transcribe Me, okay? So Transcribe Me actually pays the most amount of money. All right, so as you can see, it says become a paid transcriptionist today. Transcribe audio and video into high quality text and get paid. It's that easy, right? And then to join, all you got to do is click join our team. All right, now if you continue to go down, top rated best work from home site. Now, they're recommended by, once again, the Penny Hoarder, Money Saving Mom, Dream Home Based Work, the Christian Science Monitor, and so on and so on. There's a bunch of different companies that they're recommended by. Now, let's continue to go down, and we're going to show you pretty much that, they pay the most amount of money to do transcriptions. So check it out right here. We pay more than anyone. We have the industry's best rates with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour, and top monthly earnings at $2,200 a month. Average monthly earnings are $250 a month. So that's $100 more than when we went over here to Go Transcript. They were paying on average $150. Transcribe Me is paying $250 on average. And then, of course, Rev was the lower paying one. Okay, so as you can see, they also have the FAQs here. Always go to the FAQs and check out the frequently asked questions, okay? So as you can see, how do I join Transcribe Me? How does it work? So you can get a better understanding. Do I need any equipment? I've just registered. What do I do next, right? These are questions that people are asking. And then right here, how do transcriptionists receive payment for their work? That way you have a better understanding of how you're actually going to get paid. All right, so let's continue to go down. All right, so let's go back to where it says monetize your downtime. So let's continue going. So there's different growth and learning opportunities. And then once you click get started, that's pretty much going to take you through that same sign up process. All right, so let's continue to go down. No experience or upfront investment. So you don't have to have any experience transcribing audios, and you're not going to pay anything to get started. All right, so let's continue to go down further. Freedom and flexibility. This is going to be on your own time as the other ones that I've talked about so far. All right, and then they keep putting the button there so you can actually get started. All right, so let's continue to go down. And as you can see here, it says we pay regularly and securely via PayPal. Keep track of your earnings in real time and know exactly how much has been accumulated. All right, so once again, they pay via PayPal, so you don't have to worry about any payout problems, because all of the companies that I've talked about here today, they are reliable. They've been doing this for quite a bit of time, so you don't have to worry about any of that. All right, now all of these, they are going to require your time, but if you're somebody who doesn't, really want to sacrifice your time for money, then you can click the first link in the description. That's my #1 recommended way to earn online and do it consistently. And if you're interested, I left my Facebook down below. I also left my phone number down below. All you got to do is reach out to me after you checked out the site, and I'll go ahead and get you started on your way. All right, so with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.